Yo, what is going on guys? In this video we'll be taking a look at the TrueDot True Wireless Earbuds by Soundpeats. They are incredibly light at 4.5 grams, but what's the catch? Stay tuned to find out. Thanks to Dr. Phone Virtual Location for sponsoring this video. Using virtual location, you can spoof your location on iOS, and additional features include the ability to simulate GPS movement with controls or along roads of your choosing. To learn more and support the channel, click the link in the description. The unboxing is quite simple, with basically the same things as the Soundpeats True Capsule. I'll link my review of that if you want to check that out. There's some manuals and warranty information, a charging cable, multiple ear tips, and the case with earbuds inside. Now, this case is quite small and a lot lighter than the True Capsule's case. It is made from plastic and rocks a grey lid with black base. There's a simple logo on top and features one micro USB port on the back. The lid is held closed using small magnets, which provides a satisfying click. Opening it up, the earbuds are also held in place with magnets. The magnets don't dislodge or even shift, which makes them very good for just throwing into your bag or pocket and not worrying about rattling. Beneath the earbuds are two connection points where they are recharged. Speaking of which, the case holds 310 mAh of charge, which means per charge of the case, you'll get approximately 22 hours of playtime, according to Soundpeats. I wish there was a battery indicator on the case, since you really can't tell how much charge you have left. The earbuds are so small that the battery integrated is also tiny. They can last up to 5 hours before being drained, which is decent, but depending on your use, this might not be enough. I think the primary use for these would be for sports and physical activity, since they're so light they barely become noticeable. Using the multiple ear tips, you can find the best fit so they don't fall out. They fit very well in the ear and have a low profile design and don't stick out. It took a couple of tries to find the perfect angle, but after that it was comfortable to wear. Other than just being very light, the TrueDots also feature touch control on the side of the earbuds. The controls are the same as the True Capsule, so I would assume that they are universally similar across all Soundpeats products. The one problem I had was that since basically the whole earbud is so small, there isn't anywhere to hold, and I would keep tapping the controls when I took them on or off. The controls are as follows: touch left and right for volume up and down respectively. Holding left or right changes tracks backwards or forwards. Double tap either side pauses and plays. Triple tap activates your device's voice assistant. There's a built-in microphone which can be used for calls, and there are also call controls on the earbuds. This is how the audio sounds using the onboard microphone. It's not spectacular, but it would pass. Pairing is simple, and either earbud can be used by itself if you want. After the initial pairing, all you have to do is take the earbud out that you want to use and it will automatically connect. On your Bluetooth list, you'll see two devices, which are the left and right buds. When they connect or disconnect, there is a very loud notification on the earbuds. Sound quality is, well, it's fine. There's nothing special about the audio. The bass on the True Capsule is definitely stronger than the one in the TrueDot, with some EQ changes and you'll be good to go. Of course, you get what you pay for. Mids and highs are decent, but nothing spectacularly amazing or horrible. But especially since I think these are more suited to wear while being active, sound quality is usually not your priority at that point anyway. Overall, the TrueDot are solid if you need a pair of true wireless earbuds for sports or exercise. They weigh next to nothing and have useful touch controls which are very simple to use. Hopefully this review helped you out, and until next time, don't forget to keep it real.